channel. This is Nami, your host. I'm here with another analyst on gold. As every time I said in the video, we are in the descending channel. I called this here by. You can check the previous videos. On all of them, I explained this. We broke above, we retested, and we're going up again. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we see a trend is bullish and we have this trend line. I don't believe in trend lines on the gold, but anyway, we can help us to see the trend. So if we break it down, we see the price coming to this area 1850 and is consolidating between these areas on the range of 40 pip on the 4-hour time frame. There is not a lot of data that we can understand from this because these bodies are printing next to each other, the same size. We go for a 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we see this area is a consolidating. We have heavy rejections from the top on previous 2 hour. So again, today I'm going to wait for the New York open to see how volume gonna push the price in either both sides, up or down. But my area for trading is going to be if I'm seeing any structure like this, a bullish and then a rejection from the top and close bearish, and then breaking the below the candle on the next candle, I'm going to take a short to possible technical correction to minimum around these areas this week to here. So I'm getting short like this, or a long for something above this resistance line that you see. If any closure I get here on 30 minutes, then I'm going to consider the long. Let's check the 30 minutes as well. Okay. And also, if price gonna break this below this week, we can have the very small scalp of 20 pip. I'm not going to be trade this. So between these areas, I'm not going to trade this in the here. My trade is going to be either this area or this area. If we go to 1 hour, yeah, I'm going for this. But anyway, we should have this in our mind that on the 4 hour, which is the strong confirmation time frame, we have the heavy rejections from this area. But I'm seeing gold to around 1900 very soon. 1990. But we should see what we can get from this data from these candles. Nothing from these past hours, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 hours, each of them 4 hours. Nothing to understand from here. If any closure we got above this previous closures, we can maybe estimate the possibility of the growth or decreasing the price. But anyway, I'm going to forget this range for trading and long on this and short here. But anyway, the safest part is going to be like this because we have many rejections. So I'm just gonna trade this clear range. If I get the 15 minutes or 13 minutes closure, not 15, today I'm just thinking for 30 minutes. Any closure above here or below here. I don't take more time of you. Let's check the calendar, economic calendar. As you see, today is 19th of October 2023. We had an employment change in Australia earlier today, unemployment rate. So today evening, Federal Reserve Chair Powell gonna speech. And yesterday we had the beige book. So not this week, 2 week after we will have the FOMC. Nothing to be careful about to suddenly move a market. So I'm waiting for New York open volume and see which direction we're gonna push with the volume and take a little scalp trade like 20, 25 pip. I was looking for a bigger range, but I'm going to secure at the 20 pip. So let's see what's going to be happen. I'm going to update you later on tonight. Okay guys, as you can see, as I told you in the few minutes earlier of this video, if any closure above this resistance I'm getting, I'm going long for this area. This is where I entered my trade. You see here, on 1 hour I start this trade. It closed above and then after it went to broke above this candle. I start the trade. I closed 80% around 25 pips and let the rest run. And in like 15 minutes before I recording this video, it's hit my full TP. That much easy. You see on 15 minutes, the same structure I told you happened. Sorry for the background noise. Be safe, be well, don't overtrade and don't over risk.